giving you 10 travel items that will change your life. That is right. We are gonna get right into it. But first, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and follow us on social media. Let us know what item you liked or that you might try when you are packing. Number 1. Travel steamer. We love this, especially when we are on the road for a long time because it is small and compact. It will fit right in your suitcase. You can do about 1 or 2 shirts because it is a little tiny, but it's great to really get those wrinkles out of your clothes, and it doesn't weigh a lot and doesn't take up a lot of space. So where do we get this, Grace? We got this at Ollie's. It's a discount store, but you can get this easily on Amazon for cheap. Number 2 is this travel jewelry, you say it. Number 2 is this travel jewelry roller. This is actually a Lauren Conrad jewelry roller. We got this at Kohl's. And you can put all of your jewelry, I cannot say the word jewelry, oh my gosh. You can put all of your jewelry or accessories into this awesome roller. Yeah. There's different pockets, and within the pockets, there are little sections too, so you can organize all of your things nicely in here. So see here, 1, if you have a lot of jewelry, 2. This is great because it's all compact and it's flat. So that's just to keep in mind. Now that's some more jewelry. And I stuck this one on here. And yeah, so it's really nice and compact, and we really enjoy it. I actually had a baseball wife recommend this to me, and I'm so thankful that she did because it has worked. Because we always get jewelry stuck. Jewelry! I can't say that word! Oh my goodness, which brings us to number 3. I also learned this from another baseball wife, the baseball gypsy. She had recommended this on one of her YouTube videos, is you cut out straws. This is for tiny jewelry. But don't you hate when they all get all tangled and then you gotta untangle it? This, for those dainty necklaces, this works like a gem. You cut up the straw, you insert your necklace, and now it is tangle free. Number 4 is a tiny travel size umbrella. This is a totes umbrella. I got this from Kohl's. It is the best, honestly, it's the best umbrella brand. I don't like to spend a lot of money on umbrellas, but this one was 19 bucks, and honestly guys, it was 100% worth it. Why did we add the travel umbrella to every trip? Because when we lived in New York City, we always found ourselves in situations where our umbrella was breaking. We had cheaper umbrellas. It was breaking. The first time is we didn't even own an umbrella. And if you live in New York, or even if you are traveling and you have to get to your car or to a building, you never have an umbrella. I wish you had this. This is clutch. Because you know what they say, when you don't bring an umbrella, that's when it rains. But if you bring an umbrella, it doesn't rain. Here, proven fact from it. Don't open it, bad luck. Okay. Number 5. High five. Halfway there. This is an extension cord. This sounds funny, but when you're traveling with multiple people in a hotel room, like us, or if you're traveling with your spouse or whatever, there's usually not many plugs by your bed. So you have your laptop, your cell phones, and everything has to charge at the same time. Having an extension cord is key because you can plug in multiple things. Fair? Love it. Number 6, the packing cubes. We use these packing cubes to keep our clothes organized in our suitcase and in our hotel room. For example, we will put shirts and maybe going out clothes in one cube, and then pants and skirts, socks. That way we're organized right from the beginning. We don't have to sort out our clothes. They're already in these little squares. Guys, this is life-changing, 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 changing remix. It is little, but it is strong, and it is mighty. This is a sewing kit. Now, if you are especially working, or a lot of females, we always have some kind of issue with our tops or our skirts. This changes everything. You got little scissors that you can cut things with. If you're buying clothes, you can cut off the tags.
Now I just need to figure out how to use the sewing kit without you, because I don't know how to sew without you.
Right, I am the
She is the mother
of the
two of us.
It has safety pins in here so you can do a
That's
quick
great.
fix.
Safety pins. Always keep safety pins somewhere in your suitcase. That's a great tip, Dana.
This is one of those things where you're gonna say, I wish I had this. And like Grace, when we were in New York or somewhere, I think you stepped over a puddle.
No, my dress. I was jumping over a puddle thinking I'm like so athletic, and I split my whole dress up to my butt. And Dana had to sew me in. And she had her sewing kit and pins.
Yeah, exactly.
Which brings us to number 8. Band-aids, again, for the things that you don't think will happen, but
I'm gonna regret doing that.
52 pick up a Band-aids, Dana. Always needs a Band-aid. We were shooting a commercial in Atlanta, and one of the directors of photography cut his finger on a drone. No, well, anyways, he was getting it, and his finger got really badly cut. So Dr. Dana and Grace fixed him with Band-aids.
Everyone's panicking,
Put
and
on
then
Band-aids,
here comes the twins.
Dun, 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 dun.
Do you need a Band-aid? Now this is a specific product if you are going on a longer trip like we are coming up, and especially in places that don't offer coffee. If this is like an Airbnb or Las Vegas, then New York
Has no coffee maker. This gets us mad every time.
Coffee! That is why we bought this beautiful $6 personal single coffee maker. This, right here alone, this is just one day in a Las Vegas hotel. A small coffee is $6, and we're there for a week. We're saving a lot of money on coffee.
How come that New York has no coffee maker in the room? It's New York. Everybody drinks coffee.
I don't.
They want you.
They want you out of the room. But that's why I like having your own coffee maker, especially even in like the baseball world and stuff like that. When we are in Airbnbs and you don't have a coffee maker and you keep going out every day to buy coffee, this is at your home.
Starbucks adds up after a while.
Yeah, this is at your home, and it's super easy, and it was cheap. We got this coffee maker at a discounted store, actually in Nashville.
It has all discounted things from Target, like very recent discounted
Target, JCPenney. So take products from the big department stores that they couldn't like sell off the shelves, or they need to get off of their inventory, and then they'll sell it extremely discounted. So we got that for $6. Crazy, but you can get that on Amazon too for super cheap. So if you are a coffee fiend like us,
you need one.
That's it.
Now, dun 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 dun, is Febreze. You're looking at us like, why would I bring a bottle of Febreze with me?
I'll put it in your hair.
Oh no! Dana! Oh my gosh! You put it, stop.
It smells good.
Oh my god, Dana, you really did put it in my hair.
Yeah, I did, because I wanted to smell it.
Okay.
Face it, sometimes you don't have a washer and dryer on hand, and if you're working every
easy
day,
access to a
you're
washer
not,
and dryer.
yeah. So this is kind of like your go-to
quick salt solution.
Yeah, this is the fix right here, and it just makes your place smell nice, your stuff smell nice, makes Grace smell nice.
Oh my gosh. Next up is the sponge. This is very good for if you live in a climate with lots of snow and salt. We actually got this little sponge in a hotel in Canada, and we thought, oh my gosh, this is a great idea to always pack for the winter months when you're traveling, there's lots of snow on the ground.
Yeah, because the salt gets on your shoes and it looks like, it just doesn't look very good. If you have this little sponge in your purse, you can wipe it off right before you step in. You
got a business meeting, or if you're meeting with your friends, you don't want all the salt and stuff on your shoes. It's awesome.
And dirt, anything. This little sponge is so great to have in your toiletry bag.
Thanks for sticking with us, guys. We hope you found some of these travel items useful. Let us know what you think. Let's wrap this up like we always do. Double love, double hugs.
See you next time, guys.